Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Google Discover in Samsung Galaxy S22. What is Google Discover and how to turn it off? It's this little thing at the left side. How to turn it off? We need to go to Settings, then Home Screen, and here it is. It's Google Discover. So, to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and it should not be there anymore. And it's gone. And if for whatever reason you want to turn it on, check this box again. Of course, we can use another service here, for example, Samsung Free if you want to. We have no internet connection right now, but you can change it if you want to. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.